In this video, we're going to show you how to make indicator alerts to fully automate your extreme breakouts and price action strategy. So once you have the extreme breakouts and price action strategy added to your chart and you have your strategy settings that you like, all you do then is you add your extreme breakouts and price action indicator alerts to your chart also. And then all you do is simply make sure that all the settings in here, all the checks, all the numbers match exactly what is in your extreme breakouts plus price action strategy settings. So your extreme breakouts and price action strategy settings and the extreme breakouts and price action indicator alerts must match exactly the same on everything. The checkboxes, numbers, everything. When they do, you'll see that, let me take these off for a second and put it back on. You'll see that you'll get these little lines that will come above and below your strategy entries and exits. And that's how you know that you are okay to move on to the next point to actually add alerts. So they must match. Now in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add alerts for longs and for shorts. And that's going to include long entries and long exits, and short entries and short exits. It's really simple to do. You can literally do each within 5 seconds. So the way to do that is you'll go to your Tradingview alerts icon over here. Let me just delete these. I have these added in from a previous video, but we'll show you how to add those in. Okay, you'll click on Create Alert. And the condition, you're going to look for the indicator on your list. So since it's the second one on this list, it's also the second one over here. We're going to click on this one. We're going to go to long, and we're going to choose once per bar close. All your entries for long entries and short entries always must be once per bar close. We've got to wait for the bar close to make sure that all the criteria has been triggered for it to enter. So always once per bar close on the entries. You select your alert actions here, you give your alert name, you give it a message, or you can put some syntax here, and you are literally done with your long entries. Click create, and then it'll show up over here. Now you got to do the same thing, and you got to create your short exit. So we'll go here to create alert, second one on the list. We're going to go to exit long. Now your exits must be once per bar, because any triggers that happen during the bar, like our stop loss or take profit, as they happen, we want to make sure we exit. So exits are always once per bar. Entries are once per bar close, exits once per bar. You'll select your actions over here, give your alert a name, give it a message, or put your syntax here to make it link up to your exchange. Click create, and you are done with your longs. Now you just got to do your shorts. Now in this particular example, I don't have a short strategy that I'm using, but if you did, you would do the same thing. You go to your condition of the alerts, click on short. Since the entry we're going to do once per bar close, give it a name, put a message, create. You're done with your short entries. Do the same thing for your short exits. Condition, extreme breakouts. We're going to do exit short once per bar. This is an exit. Give it a name, put a message, create. And you are literally done. You have a fully functional trading system, an automatic trading system that can enter and exit longs and enter and exit shorts. And you'll never have to check the chart again when you have it automated like this. It'll follow your strategy exactly as you have it set. Now, of course, the past is no indication of what will happen in the future, so I always recommend to keep a close eye on your trading systems at all times. You can check it once a day or at other times depending on what your strategy is. I just think it's very wise to do that. But on the alert side, after you've done this, it is fully automated based on whatever price does. According to your strategies, the alerts will follow those. And then the alerts will automatically get emailed to you or sent to your phone if you select that option, or sent to the exchange via API if you have set it up like that with the syntax and the alert message. So that's it. That's how you can fully automate your trading with the extreme breakouts and price action alerts based on the extreme breakouts and price action strategy. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, and look forward to helping you with your trading. Thank you.